The view outside. Okay. So the complete jungle vegetation with kids playing area there. So it's the time to shift the house now, and we have come here to have a look at the new place. This is the Genkan area. So let's remove our slippers and wear the shoes what they have given. Is there light operation? No.
That one. Up. You'll have to switch on from there.
I think they do. They would not. They have given the torch actually. So they have given the torch. Okay. Not functioning. Oh.
No, this light would be working here. It would be working.
What do I do?
There would be some this thing.
I think I have. Probably this one. We have been staying in multiple houses since we have moved to Japan, and looks like there is a shrine there. Like in India, we have 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 1 BHK. In Japan, the nomenclature is slightly different. Like here, we have 1 DK, 2 DK, 3 DK. Then we have 2 LDK, 3 LDK. So what it means here is, if I speak about 1 DK is 1 dining and kitchen. 1 is 1 room, 1 dining and 1 kitchen. 2 DK means 2 rooms, 1 dining and 1 kitchen. 3 DK means 3 rooms, which is basically 3 bedrooms, 1 dining and 1 kitchen. And if I talk about 2 LDK, that means it is 2 rooms, bedrooms, 1 dining, 1 living and 1 kitchen. And if I talk about 1 LDK, that means 1 room, bedroom, 1 living room, 1 dining room, 1 kitchen. And 3 LDK means 3 rooms, 1 living, 1 dining, 1 kitchen. So that means there are multiple groups which one can recognize. Now today we will take you to a 2 LDK in Yokohama, as we are going to be shifting soon, and before shifting we have to look around various houses. Whichever we find proper, we'll have to say yes, and then within a month we'll have to move in. So let's go and see this 2 LDK now. Presently we are staying in 2 DK, and here we are going to upgrade to 2 LDK. So let's see how does that 2 LDK looks like. And the space of 2 LDK which we are going to have look at is about 80 square meters. And another thing here is that the house dimensions, house space has been denoted as square meters here in Japan. So let's go and have a look at the house. How does it look like? And we would talk more about it after that. So see you in the 2 LDK. We have come here to look at the new place, This is the security thing which you have to use the key and then open. And here you have post box, a notice board, and then the lift. We are going to see the place on the 4th floor now. So let's see the new house in Yokohama. So one should be careful in the lift. Okay, so they are using this lock, a temporary lock. So they have not given the keys of the main lock door, but a temporary lock which they have affixed here. Because there will be a lot of people coming and seeing. There is a post box here. So that's the call bell. And the ginkan, we will remove the sleepers. Before that, let's switch on the main switch. Main switch is normally located here in the kitchen. Yeah, so light comes on. So let's start from the So here normally they give you the keys and you have to come yourself and have a look. So they have given all the instructions here. So please turn off the breaker, close all the windows after seeing the house. So this we are seeing a UR apartment. Okay. And they have even given the instructions, please remove your shoes. Because not necessarily that all Japanese only would be coming and checking the house. So let's remove this. And from the office they have given us these sleepers. So let's wear this, and let me wear the second pair. And they have even given this torch in case the light doesn't switch on. But anyways, we don't have to use this. And they have given this, what's this written?
You have to put this outside because you're viewing the house right now.
Ah, okay. So technically we should get in now. They have given a measuring tape also. In case somebody wants to measure the stuff where you keep your luggage and fridge and other things. Okay. So here, as soon as you enter, on the left side there is a bedroom, and there is a small mirror. Small. My God, this is
This is a
opening.
walk-in closet.
Yeah, walk-in closet. Opening is small, but inside is
This is a walk-in closet here.
nice. Lovely stuff. Oh, from inside it's big.
This is a walk-in closet.
Okay. Yeah. We got disguised with a small door. And here then, on the right side, immediately after the ginkan, we have this wash area. This is the basin area. Okay, basin is the same, yeah. Hot, cold, it's the same as what we have. So you can pull and do whatever you want. And this is the washing machine area. And then comes the bathroom. A tub. And then you have this shower outlet. And that's the cloth hanging rods, and this is the dryer. One can operate to dry your clothes. Okay, so this is the mechanism of water mechanism, and the bathtub mechanism which operates from here. So this is the towel hanger, and on the left is what? Okay, so this is the toilet. With a washing basin here, wash basin here. That's the toilet paper holder. Okay. Water does not flow before you move in. Okay, so if you want to use, you can't use this. So they have written clearly, water doesn't flow before you move in. Please refrain from using the toilet. So they have used a blockage here. So don't use the toilet in case you come for looking in a new house. And let's see on the right what we have. Right we have is, okay, again a small closet with quite a bit of space here again to keep things nice. Now let's come to the main living room. Oh, this is a big living room. Everything wooden. And that's a long living room. Supposedly nice. And on the left is the main bedroom with green tatami. Nice. This is also quite big, and remove and then come on tatami, and that's the storage area for clothes and other things, your beddings. Normally you are in this kind of size of apartment, normally 3-door closet is being given, and which is quite sufficient in terms of usage. You have 3 levels, 1, 2, and then the third. So this is fine. And then comes the where is the AC is here. Aircon is here in the living room. And here, this is how from here it looks straight on the right kitchen, and then walk out. Now let's see the balcony. The balcony is here. Oh, nice. It's a 2-door balcony. Let's open and see. Ah, good. So you have a mesh also here. Oh, that's another house. Outer unit. And let's see the view outside. Okay. So the complete jungle vegetation with kids playing area there. And that's another building. Okay, good. The view is nice. And this is for again your drying clothes. And you have some things which you can hang on, which is already given. So Mrs. Kapoor is checking out what's there outside. And this living area, this portion, presently we have in the bedroom in our place, right? Yeah, so this can be a good place for the work area. Yeah, putting it here, and we can have a partition here, so that becomes your work area completely. So you are not disturbed. Okay, the place looks good. Okay, so that's it. And again, there is the same system here of intercom, the security system that we will explain in some other video. I mean, this stuff, security system, and then the water system here, which is here, and the same function is given here also. So presently we can't operate this because there is no water at present. So we will show this. These are the few lovely stuff in Japanese home. In the kitchen, this is the basin and a 3-stove burner with a inbuilt grilling system. Oh, nice. Oh, nice.
You put a new
Oh, the chimney is new,
Chimney
different.
also new.
Yeah. Okay, this is the automatic burner. Automatic burner. Press and this is for the toaster. Basically, it's not a toaster, it's a roaster. Specifically for fish. This we'll explain in some other video about this. And there's a new chimney, looks like, yes. New, or they've cleaned it, I think probably. They installed a new one, right? Yeah. And this is okay. This is different than our system. Okay. Switch off. And that's the light. And the storage is similar. Quite a bit of storage here. I will not have to worry about. On the top also there is storage. Quite a bit of storage. Nice. So that's about it. And this is the area where one can keep the fridge. Oh, fridge there or here? Any place, I think. Yeah, they have given the switches here also. Fridge can be kept here. Right. And here also switches are here, so one can keep something here also. Okay, that's the exhaust. Any house of you come in, so you have these white curtains which will be put on all the windows. So it will not be left like that. So you have white curtains, and in that room also there is a white curtain there. A white curtain here also. This is what, how many square meter? 80?
Yeah.
80 square meter? Ah, okay. So this is the 80 square meter house. So looks to be nice. Okay, so let's close this viewing of the apartment in Yokohama. Let me switch off the mains. So outside we have this, the meter, then the telephone stuff here. Lot of line messages. And on the right, that's the water meter. So everything on tips here. Closed. So done. Our work is done. So they are getting it signed that we have handed over everything. So hope you got some idea of about Japan housing system here.